Let's say you are in an outdoor shoot and there is only one source of light, that is sun. And it happens many times that whenever you start clicking photos, light conditions changing frequently. Whether it is due to clouds or you change your location and there you're not getting proper light and you don't have so much time to change shutter speed, aperture and ISO to get properly exposed photos. So today we will see how you can achieve properly exposed photos in different light conditions. Hello friends, my name is Samarth and I welcome you all to my channel. Here I make videos on photography and I try to make it in an easy way so that you can understand and improve your photography skills. If you are shooting in manual mode in daylight and light condition is changing frequently, then the first thing which you need to do is switch on the aperture priority mode and switch the ISO to auto mode. But the problem with the aperture priority mode is when you set the ISO to auto mode and if the available light is not very much, then what the camera will do is camera will auto increase the ISO to very high value to get the properly exposed photo, and due to which you will get lot of grains or noise in your photos. If you set the ISO to manual mode, then to get the properly exposed photo, what the camera will do is camera will auto slow down the shutter speed to a value which will not be enough to freeze the moment. To fix these problems, what we'll do is we first go to the menu option. Now click on the ISO speed settings. You will see different settings. Don't change anything else. Just click on the auto range. Now set the minimum value to 100 and maximum value to your desired maximum ISO. I am making it 800. Now click on minimum shutter speed and set the minimum value to 1/125 or 1/250 depending on the lens you are using. In my case, I have set it to 1/125 seconds. Now when you click photos in aperture priority mode, the ISO will not get increased from a certain value so that you will not get noise or grains in your photos, and the shutter speed will also not get below to your desired value. In my case, I have set the minimum shutter speed to be 1/125 seconds. So whenever I click photos in aperture priority mode, my shutter speed will not get below 1/125 seconds and I'll get sharp and properly exposed photos every time. See you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, stay happy.